Rahman Rahim. Pak Study MCQs Part 17. Chitral is the largest district in the KPK province of Pakistan, covering an area of 14,850 kilometers square. Chitral is the largest district in the KPK province of Pakistan, covering an area of 14,850 kilometers square. The river Indus flows from which city? Answer is Tibet. The river Indus flows from which city? Answer is Tibet. Largest district of Pakistan by population is Lahore. Largest district of Pakistan by population is Lahore. Who was the longest serving Chief Justice of Pakistan? Answer is Muhammad Halim. Who was the longest serving Chief Justice of Pakistan? Answer is Muhammad Halim. Haran Desert is situated in. Answer is Balochistan. Haran Desert is situated in. Answer is Balochistan. Dr. Abdus Salam was born in which city of Pakistan? Answer is Jang. Dr. Abdus Salam was born in which city of Pakistan? Answer is Jang. Act of 1935 contained how many parts? Answer is 14. Act of 1935 contain how many parts? Answer is 14. Bambor city is located in. Answer is Thatta. Bambor city is located in. Answer is Thatta. The first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan was dissolved by Governor General Malik Ghulam Muhammad on October 24, 1954. The first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan was dissolved by Governor General Malik Ghulam Muhammad on October 24, 1954. The total tracks length of railway in Pakistan is. Answer is 11,881 kilometer. The total tracks length of railway in Pakistan is 11,881 kilometers. The archaeological site Kot Dhiji is located near the city of Khairpur. The archaeological site Kot Dhiji is located near the city of Khairpur. Who was the leader of the Young Bengal movement? Answer is Henry Vivian Desrosiers, who was the leader of the Young Bengal movement. Answer is Henry Vivian Desrosiers. In which of the following year the Battle of Buxar was fought? Answer is 1764. In which of the following year the Battle of Buxar was fought? Answer is 1764. Boundary Commission was headed by dash. Answer is Cyril Redcliffe. Boundary Commission was headed by dash. Cyril Redcliffe. Kashmir sold to Gulab Singh in dash. Answer is 1846. Kashmir sold to Gulab Singh in dash. Answer is 1846. Where during the War of Independence was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan working or posted? Answer is Bijnor. Where during the War of Independence was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan working or posted? Answer is Bijnor. The first issue of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Al Hilal came out on 13 July 1912. The first issue of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Al Hilal came out on 13 July Answer is 1912. The Pakistan Forest Institute, a national organization, was established in dash. Answer is 1947. The Pakistan Forest Institute, a national organization, was established in dash. Answer is 1947. The government of Pakistan established the Indus River System Authority in the year dash. Answer is 1992. The government of Pakistan established the Indus River System Authority in the dash year. Answer is 1992. What percentage of total polled votes in East Pakistan was secured by Awami League in 1970 elections? Answer is 75. What percentage of total polled votes in East Pakistan was secured by Awami League in 1970 elections? Answer is 75. Name of the fourth kalma is Tawheed. Name of the fourth kalma is Tawheed.